Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the phone safe to update. Plug it in or confirm battery is at least 50% and free about 2 gigabytes of storage. Next, back up your important data to Google Drive or a PC so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi, then go to Settings, tap Software Update, and press Check for updates. If an update appears, choose Download to start fetching the package. You'll continue by letting the update download fully. Prefer Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges and drop transfers. If the phone verifies the package, allow verification. That check prevents corrupted installs. When ready, tap Install and accept any prompts. The device will reboot into updater mode. Make sure you keep it connected to power and don't press buttons or remove the battery. The installer shows progress and time remaining. This may take several minutes to complete depending on file size. Once installation finishes, the phone reboots to the updated system. Check Settings right arrow About Phone to confirm the build number. If apps act oddly, clear the cache partition or reinstall the affected apps and restore your backup when ready. Make sure to update apps from the Play Store for compatibility. If the update fails or the phone won't boot, use one key troubleshooting step. Re-attempt the update from
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.